Safety first with some earplugs, and on today's episode, we're building garden boxes.
So you can mark it if you like. The other thing you can do is put your foot under, get your saw ready, and just use it as a guide. Okay, that's good.
All right, we'll just speed it up a bit here. So I'm just going to continue cutting up the cedar boxes here, the 4 pieces, 2 ends and the 2 sides. This was leftover cedar from a previous job. So the goal here is to add 1 more box, then we'll fill it up with some compost that we have. And in the summertime, we'll extend this to be a raspberry bed. So we have some additional raspberries that we'll plant in here. So if you haven't already, now would be a good time to hit the like button and the subscribes. Thanks so much.
Well, I can't find a chalk line, so you got a few options. You could just go here, there, and make a few marks.
So here I'm going to be pinching the front part of the circular saw, and that'll help guide it all the way down for a straight line.
There you go.
I'm using an impact driver here, and I'm adding about 3 or 4 screws per end, screwing that all together.
Now it's just a matter of putting it wherever you want it, eh?
I'm just going to measure off the existing boxes about 40 inches to get even spacing all the way around.
Okay, so this garden box here, we've got lots of dirt out back. We'll fill it up with the skid steer when it gets here. And in the summertime, we'll use that as another bed.
And to finish it off here, we're just going to add some wood chip around this box and all the other boxes here. We got the woods via chipdrop.com, and I highly recommend signing up for them to get some wood chips from your local arborist.